Welcome to AC Custom Designs. Wait a minute, Steve. Welcome to the Woodworking Seminar Schedule. This is the man that makes it all possible. What's your name, sir?
My name's Bryce Beermann.
Forgive the left hand shake. Bryce, thank you very much. I just wanted to go on record to say, try to get both of us in here.
Sure.
This was amazing. This was awesome. I enjoyed everything, and there's not enough time really for us to ingest it all. That's why I do videos.
There you are, sir.
We're going to have to pick up one of these woodworking shirts. I am kind of in XL. So,
XL?
Yep.
Well, if you want an XL, these are the colors we got. We got navy blue, brown, gray, green, blue, and black.
How about baby, actually the gray. I like the gray.
It's more of a brown.
That's more of a brown? Well, I don't have any brown shirts, so that'll be, let me make sure that this is, yeah, good.
Yeah.
All right, awesome. Really, Mr. Snodgrass, amazing. Nice to meet him and his father, etc. And all of the shows are amazing. Just so, thank you again. And again, we want him to come up north to Albany area. That will be super awesome, as long as there's enough folks. Sometime in the future. Fantastic. All right, I'm going to say goodbye so I can pay. Thank you again, and
You're very welcome.
Take care.
Yeah, thanks.